All right, I'm gonna do the engine video before I start the car. Right strut is clean. There's a little bit of surface rust under the trim there and a little bit there, but it's really nothing serious. It probably looks worse in the picture. Besides that, I didn't see anything noticeable. Now, I did take a picture of the repair. It's right, you can hardly see it right there in the top of the video right there. I got closer up pictures of that with the flashlight. No broken brackets on the headlights. They always have very clean headlights here. Whether they're replaced or just, specifically cleaned, I'm not exactly sure, but factory intake box, it does have a intercooler. I believe it was a Greddy intercooler. Washer fluid bag. I had one of those on my Silvia because the plastic ones just deteriorate after a while, I guess. This strut is clean as well. This looks like a rub mark, but that's not really rust. It's just kind of dirty. But the whole engine bay looks clean. All the way around. Brackets. Straight. The underside of the hood's been painted. Looks brand new. Nothing to complain about here. A bit of what looks like surface rust. Overall clean. Alright, at Autosports Rabbit in Takatsuki, I'm going to do the walk around. I'm going to break these videos down smaller so they're easier to send. Start with the front. Let me can't zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. Right. Alright, start with the front bumper. I mean, first impression is this car is super clean. A little bit of, you can barely tell, actually you can see it right here. It's kind of orange peely there. It is a fresh paint job, I believe. It looks like a chip here. They put the GTR look lip on the front of the hood, but it's not a GTR bumper. It still has the R34 hood. There's a gunk buildup here. I mean, I feel like I could peel that away with my finger, and I'm not going to touch it. Other than that, front bumper, no pressure cracks, just a little orange peely. I mentioned in the engine video that headlights look brand new. Alright, fenders. This looks here, in here, there's a couple of bulb looking spots where the paint looks a little faded. It looks like somebody touched it with their fingers when it was still wet. I don't know. Other than that, there's no blemishes on the fender. Go around to the other side. Yeah, very clean. They have smoked signals here. I haven't checked to make sure they work yet. Side skirts. There's not a single crack on them. Show you the other side skirt. Mirrors. Yeah, that was just some wax came off. Windshield wipers are clean, they're not all rusted out. It's just kind of dusty, but other than that, I mean, looks like a brand new car. I did point out the rock chip in the window here. The bonnet, again, there's really nothing to talk about there. Completely clean. Even these small marks. So there is these small white marks. That music is annoying, sorry. There are tiny white marks on it, but other than that, oh, you know what? About this long. Yeah, you kind of see it right here. There's like a scratch about that long, and I believe that's in the paint and cleared over. You can hardly see it though. There's no under color coming through it. All right, door. Again, all down the side of the car. I don't see any blemishes. Passenger door. Very clean. Fender, rear fender. Again, no blemishes. Now, on the other side, I'll point out really quick. There is a bald spot in the paint, which will get fixed right here. This whole spot's gonna get repainted right here, so it'll look brand new as well. All right, the window trim is a little faded here. Maybe this looks like it got hit with the polisher when they were polishing it and knocked some of the color off of it. Not broken. Roof as well. It's got a little bit of what you would, I guess, like dirt in the paint. Just a little bit. A couple here and a couple on that side. Nothing serious. Trunk. There's one spot I pointed out in the picture. Right here. It's in the paint. Other than that, the spoiler, trunk, tail lights, a couple of spots here and here, like a dirt in the paint. I don't know how difficult it is to keep dirt 100% out of the paint, but I don't know what their paint booth looks like, so. And I sent you plenty of underbody pictures. Underside is good. Taillights and titanium tip muffler looks good. All right, let's get inside the car. All right, sitting inside the car, first thing is the drifting steering wheel. The Momo, I had it in my Sylvia. I guess people would prefer stock, but it's not a bad wheel. It still looks cool. And it's got the black to match the rest of the interior. Other than that, I mean, 155,000 kilometers. And the car still looks mint inside. It's got a nice red Bride racing seat. It's kind of hot in here, even though it's a cool day. I think maybe they put that in. It's not the cleanest, but it's not coming out. No kick marks. Pedals a little dirty, can be cleaned. Mats are in the trunk. This looks worse on camera than in real life. These are a little faded here, just on the top from being in the sun. No cracks on the dash. Looks good. No holes. And the radio area is really scratch free. There's a couple here and there, but it's pretty nice. I sent pictures of all of this. It's got like a rainbowed shift knob. Everything's clean. Passenger seat looked good as well as the knobs and switches. It's a little chewed up here. Other than that, it's pretty clean. No kick marks as well. The carpet was good. The visors lights, lamp, the headliner. There's like a little tiny mark right there. That's about it. The oh crap bar is straight. The pillars, there's no holes. And the back seats as well. I got pictures of it. They're really clean. And there's a scratch here. It's a pretty heavy scratch. That's about it. All right, going to do electronics check. If I can get the steering wheel unlocked with one hand. Put this down. All right, that was a bit of a struggle getting the steering wheel unlocked. Cold start. Fires right up. The clutch feels strong, doesn't feel soft at all. Feels really good actually. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Reverse is good. E-brake is good. Steering is soft. 154,749 kilometers. RPMs. Good. It's got almost a full tank of gas. That's crazy. Battery. Oil temperature. Boost. Oil temperature is cold. I'm not sure. We'll have to see if that goes up. Air conditioner. Max. Well, it's already blowing cold, but it's a cool day, so let me switch it to heat. And I'm sweating in the direct sun. Just blew dust all in my eyes. Hold on. Okay. I'm waiting for this to heat up. See what happens with the mirrors. Right mirror adjusts, left mirror adjusts, in, out, windows both go down. This window's slower than the driver, it does go up. Both windows are a little slow, but they go up. Let me, automatic lock works on both sides. That's good. The heat, it's getting warm. Okay. Leave that running a bit. Turn on the wipers. Hazards. Headlights. Horn works. Okay. Drop her hat. Left blinker. Side marker, I mean. Headlights on, blinkers on. Headlight is on. Blinkers on. Side marker. Taillight, blinker, taillight, blinker. Sound of the muffler. Sounds good. Alright, engine running video. The fan shroud is cut there. Not exactly sure why, but there's no abnormality sounds or anything in the engine. It sounds like it's running good. No belt squeals when you fired it up. Seems to be in working order. Where's the rev? Sounds good. And that's with the heater on. Alright, I switched it to 31 degrees and now it is blowing warm. It took a little bit. Yeah, other than that, it's got this really wide rear mirror. Other than that, the car's in really good shape. Blowing right in my face. Yeah, it's hot. I don't need that. job car. I like this.